Register your car at Valvoline.com before 75,000 miles. Start using Valvoline and they'll guarantee your engine for up to 300,000 miles. Visit Valvoline.com for detailed benefits and limitations. Valvoline Instant Oil Change. The difference is guaranteed.
Picture your doctor's office and all of the forms you get at check-in. Read this, sign that. Now picture an ATM where all you do is swipe a card. Imagine check-in being that easy. That's Vanderbilt Health 100 Oaks, a new approach to healthcare where you can get healthy and stay healthy without writer's cramp. Vanderbilt Health 100 Oaks. There's always a better way. To learn more, visit VanderbiltHealth.com.
Hey man, is that one of those new Zune HD media players?
Well, yes and no. It's more like a portal to another world. A world of greater variety.
Easy.
A world with more great FM stations to choose from and no subscription fees. A world of crystal clear sound and unprecedented portability. Zune HD by Microsoft.
Mike? Buddy?
More stations, more clarity, no fees. HD Radio. It's time to upgrade. Order your Zune HD today at Amazon.com.
Here's today's Classic Rock News on 105.9 The Rock. It was recently announced that The Who will perform at the halftime show for Super Bowl 44, February 7th in Miami. Bon Jovi is caught up in a $400 billion lawsuit involving a Massachusetts man who alleges the defendant stole the song he wrote in honor of the Boston Red Sox. On this day in rock history in 1968, Jimi Hendrix is awarded a gold disc for his Electric Ladyland LP. For Rock News at 1059therock.com. I'm Dan Latham on 1059 The Rock.
Where the legends live.